So welcome to Goodwood Festival of Speed 2025. This is our stand and we're going to show you guys around the show and see this year's highlights.
Hit the rocks first. He's round the gas up. Oh my gosh, that is ridiculous. What have you got? Oh my word.
So one stand using our tiles at this year's show is eBay. So this is a client of ours using the tiles inside in one of their stand areas. Come inside and we're going to show you how it looks.